Hell yeah.
Yo, what's going on? Cuts by Reggie back with another video, and today we are going to do a little something different. We're going to pretty much talk about the Instinct from Stylecraft. We're going to talk about the Cerberus from Monster. So I've done a review on, of course, the Instinct, and I've talked about the Cerberus. But when I was talking about the Cerberus, a lot of people, of course, you're going to quickly notice, including myself, we're going to quickly notice the similarities in these two products. So what we're going to do today is talk about the few things that's different in these products, right? First off, though, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike the videos if you dislike the videos. So the first thing to know is the price of these two products. If you are looking to try out the Monster, it is $283 in US coins. When you go to their website, they got it in euros. It is an overseas company, but that is the Monster. And if you are looking to try out the Instinct, it is $249, right? So it's $249 from their website, and I do have a discount code for the Instinct. So if you use discount code Cuts by Reggie, save you some money. But if price is the thing for you, that is the difference in prices. So you're looking at $283, $249. So it is a slight difference in prices. All right. If we're looking at the I like to talk about the shipping time, but the only thing is with shipping time is I know with the Instincts, they're on pre-order right now. When they first came out, they did the pre-order, and then they you go to their website, and it's always a to be determined date that they will be shipping out. Right. As far as the Monsters, as of right now, they are on the website available to ship. Right. So of course, when you order, it's not going to take long to get them if they're already in stock. One thing about Stylecraft is that's one thing that, and not to talk about the business side of it, because on the business side, of course, you might want to, all right, I'm going to order this many at one time and then wait till those run out, get another stock, right? So that has been something that I haven't really been a big fan of when it comes to ordering from Stylecraft. But nonetheless, once they're available, the shipping time is not long to get there. As far as what comes in a package, of course, when it comes to the Monster and the Instinct, you get the charging dock. The only difference with the Cerberus, the Monster Cerberus, is it comes with a different charger, a plug. So you do have to have an adapter if you want to use that. You know what I'm saying? Or you can just find something that you already may have that has the mini USB charging port, and they both do have that. All right, so you're not looking at any difference in that. Now, when it comes to the body style when you first look at it is pretty much the same, except for once you get down to the bottom of it, the Instinct is a little bit wider at the bottom. And as far as weight, because this is plastic top and bottom, this has a plastic top with a metal bottom, so it does add a little bit of weight to it. If you've been following my channel, you know I do like a lighter clipper, which is why once I tried out the Instinct, it was and still is one of my go-tos. But having that same body size but with a little bit added weight to it doesn't knock it off too much, but it also, with that metal body, kind of turns down the vibration a little bit. So when it comes to RPMs, the Cerberus has 9,000 RPM, and then the Instinct, if I'm not mistaken, let me look it up real quick before I be wrong. So the Instinct has 11,000 RPM, and the Cerberus have 9,000 RPM. And then as far as runtime, Instinct has 4 hours, Cerberus has 3 hours, right? So you're not getting, it's not too big of a deal on there, but if runtime is the major thing for you, that can be a thing. But they both have the vector motors, 11,500 RPM, 9,000 RPM. The reason that is another thing to me is because when I first got these, I did say they had a lot of vibration, which is why I did not like the trimmer, the Instinct trimmers. I didn't think the Instinct trimmers needed so much vibration. These also do have that vibration to it, and you can feel that vibration. But when you get this, you can tell that coating kind of takes some of that vibration off. I mean, and plus this only has 9,000, this has 11,000 RPMs, so that rotating in that motor is going a lot faster than it is on this. Does it change too big in the cut? Not in my opinion, right? With both of these, and again, they both do come with their style of the Fusion, Vapor, the hybrid blade. So as far as the cut, I get a smooth cut with both of them. I love the blades. As far as going through bulk, there were times where the Suburus kind of stalled a little bit depending on the bulk or the texture of the hair, which then that's where that 11,000 RPM really can work up for you. And then it also supposed to have that mechanism where it can slow down when it need to, speed up when it need to. I don't really notice that, but that's something that has been put out there. As far as performance, I haven't seen too big of a difference unless it's coming to the bulk removal. And in that case, I would choose the Instinct, because that ramping up of that motor can and does help out when you're going through thick hair, whether it's the coarse hair, Hispanic hair, and stuff like that. This does go through bulk pretty good, but you can tell the difference sometimes. But as far as feel, this got a little bit more weight to it. And then you got the Instinct. And like I said, if y'all go back to my Instinct unboxing and review, this feels like a toy. It feels like a toy clipper, but it is still one of my go-to clippers. As far as this, I am loving it. But you do add that weight to it, so you still got the same size of the machine, but a little bit more weight to it. It feels more durable than the Instinct does. But as you can see, they both have the click system, 5 clicks. Yeah, so when it comes to these machines, there are a lot of comparisons that you can do, but they are not the same. You get what I'm saying? So it really depends on your preference on which one you would choose. Is the price the main difference for you? Is the RPM the difference? Is the charging cable the difference? Is it the weight? Is it the feel? I think both of these are two great products, but when you first look at it, I can understand where you will be. Those are the same. I do like the Monster at times because it has that weight. It do have that extra durability feel to it. But at times, I do want to grab my Instinct. It take down bulk a little bit better to me. So which one you choose is really a preference thing. I like both of them. Of course, y'all know I've been using this since, I don't know, I think they've been out, what, a year and a half, 2 years almost. And then since I got these, shout out to Monster for shipping these to me. I have been using these, so these have been my go-to back and forth along with the Instinct X. As far as which one to pick, it just comes down to preference. What are you looking for in your clipper? And that's my opinion. Alright? So they are the same, but they not the same. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike the videos if you dislike the videos, and I will be back with another video very soon. Another unboxing, another tutorial, another review, another something. Alright? Peace.